what is between space in architecture. Welcome to my channel, Decode of Toronto, Canada. In this part, we want to talking about one of the great and sensitive and essential thing when you want to design in architecture. In my opinion, that you should be attention this parameter in the all design when you want to start the project. On the other hand, I want to read off the article clear off this parameter and provide and big view of this matter. Let's go. Outdoor space. Architects often consider the relationship between indoor and outdoor space, such as courtyards, patios, and garden, to create a seamless transition between the built environment and the natural environment. Okay, so this is provide information about this matter that when you want to create an outdoor and indoor space, you should be full of between two space for entry. For example, previous space, you should be attention empty space that when you want to enter the new space and prepare person and the care of the personage, for example, and major impact of your mindset when you want to, for example, enter to lobby. A previous space lobby, you enter the empty space after that entry to lobby. This is a great space for a connection to space in architecture. Item 2, flexibility and adaptability. Architects may design space to be flexible and adaptable to accommodate changing need over time. This is particularly important in commercial and public building. It's a very important thing that you should be use of this space in the commercial and general space, because you need to a connection to space in every design. In my opinion, this article said that commercial and general space is very important more than the other space. In my opinion, that you should be observe it in the all process. Item 3, positive and negative space. In architecture, there are two type of space. Okay, so in my opinion, in this, the first line said that every between a space has a two personality. For example, a negative and positive is not my opinion about that as a type of, because it don't relate to the type of. You should be design it between to every space, don't relate to kind of. Thanks for watching this video. The previous video I talked about for example, concept, idea, perspective in architecture. So attention that or those video, so watch about architecture. If you like this video, and subscribe our channel and like this, because this work and give me energy for create a better video. Thanks, see you soon.